Okay, welcome to the video here where I'm gonna show you how you can become aware of more what's going on in your presence right here, right now. And it's only right here, right now that we can make any changes to our lives, that we want to have it differently. It's now, it's not tomorrow, not yesterday, only now. And we can only make changes to what we are aware of and how we can change our relationship with it. So in this video here, as you can see over here, I have an image of the different kinds of bodies and energies and the awareness I am that you can become aware of right now. So follow along, I'll guide you through it, and you can leave in your comments below that you can follow along or that you can recognize it. And if there's something difficult, let me know in the comments below and I'll see if I can make a guide for you to experience more of that. So let's start out. I'm gonna minimize my face here, make this one a little bit bigger. Whoops, there we go. This one here. There we go. Okay. So as you can see right now in the image here, we have the physical body, right? So the physical body, you can become aware of that. Just close your eyes, relax your shoulders, take a long deep breath, and notice how the breathing made you more aware of your stomach, of your spine, of your hands, your feet, your shoulders, and that is the physical body. Just notice the physical body here. You notice that the senses are working. You can sense the chair or the couch or whatever it is that you have positioned the body in, chair, couch, or maybe even standing. You can feel the weight of the body. You can notice breathing happening. You can hear my voice, senses are working, and you are with opened eyes again, and you can see something. So that will be the physical body here that you are aware of. Now let's take a look at the emotional body. So how are you feeling right now? Are you numb? Are you feeling tired, or are you feeling strained, or are you feeling light? How are you feeling? And what emotions is associated with the feeling? So an emotion would be happy or sad or easygoing with whatever it is that's going on. You can notice an emotion. That will be the emotional body. And it is a body. You can sense other people's emotions, you can sense your own emotions, and they're like surrounded around the physical. You can notice it if you bring your hand close to areas on your body, you will notice it. And also on other people, you can notice their emotions as well. So that's the emotional body. You can sense that. Let's check in with the mental body. Who do you think you are right now? Who do you think you are? What's your name? What's your identity? So whatever you associate yourself with mentally, that means when someone asks you, who are you? And you answer based on whatever it is that you mentally rehearse, mentally assume yourself to be. Okay? So that's the mental body. See if you can notice the thoughts there. Mental body also is the association that you have with other people. So let's say you're in a relationship, the way you mentally rehearse that relationship in your mental body, that is part of what you experience as the mental body. And that is the identity. The identity is both capturing a mental body, but also the mental body is beyond the identity yet. You can have thoughts. I can introduce thoughts for you that is not yet your identity, right? So the mental body is also bigger than your identity. So you can notice that you have a mental body, and it is a mental body. There are the mental activity that we entertain does have a body to it. It has a frequency and energy to it. And that brings us to the energy body, which is the green around here. So your energy body, that might be a little bit more difficult to notice that one. But the energy body is simply just pure present energy. And that energy might have a quality. It might be a quality of love or joy or peaceful. The energy can also, as you can see, correlate a little bit with the mental body. So you might not experience your pure energy body. You might experience it mixed in with your mental body. But see if you can notice the energy body. It's just pure energy present here and now. How you do that, you relax the physical, you relax the emotional, you relax the thinking mind, empty the mind. And just notice that pure, you might feel it a lot in your hands. If you put your fingertips together like this, you might feel it there. And you just start to notice that flow of energy that's present. That will be your energy body, showing itself in mind, emotion, and physical body, but you can also rest attention just with that presence of energy. Great. So as you see on the image here, I'm going to move towards spirit now. And spirit is not something we want to put words on, and it's actually the desired experience that you wanted to have as a human being. So there's a theme, spirit theme, that you're here to explore, and I can't really put any words to it, but you will notice it as a calling from within. Notice it as a desire, a real desire, not just a physical urge or not just a mental idea. It's a real calling. It's a real urge. It happens when you have achieved everything you almost can in life, then spirit will call on something more, something not materialistic as such. So that might be more loving relationships, or it might be a different relationship with the world, with family, with anything that's going on in your mental, emotional, and physical realities. So that will be spirit. Spirit does have a desire. It has a wish that it would like to not accomplish, but to explore. And that's what's going on right now. Perhaps that's what actually brought you to the video here. So that spirit, the spirit body, is usually only experienced when you have cleared the physical, the emotional, the mental, and even your energy body. And you can do that through breath work. You can do that by deep meditative states. And that brings us to awareness. So everything that we just walked through here, be it the physical, the emotional, your identity, and the mental body, the mental activity, your energy body, even spirit and the desires that comes with spirit, there's awareness. And awareness is like drawn, I brought it up here. It is an AI picture made on a symbol painting that I made. You can see the original if you like. Comment below if you like the original. But awareness, there's many great teachers pointing to awareness. And awareness is the symbol recognition that I am. Not the words I am, not the one saying I am, but the presence of being. That which is aware of all what we just walked through, there's an awareness present for you to explore and put attention to anything. Even this video here, even my voice, awareness has to be prevalent for you to experience. So before any experience, before any mental activity, before any wish, before any spirit, before any identity, any energy, any physical sensation, any emotions, awareness is. I am. And when you rest attention with that I am, don't associate any picture with it, right? That's mental body. You don't have any wishes in the I am, that's spirit. Just as I am. You'll recognize it, you'll know when attention rests here. It's like a peaceful, restful space within. You can call it like that, but it's always present. And as you begin to explore these different bodies that I show you here, and especially awareness, you'll notice that you are always aware. So that's your new identity. You will explore the identity of as I am, without any label, without any meaning, without anything but the restful, peaceful, tranquil quality of awareness. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller here again. There we go. So that's what I wanted to just shortly guide you through here with that quite spontaneous video, sitting here in the morning, 6:50 a.m. And I wanted to share that with, exactly you, who might benefit from becoming aware of what's actually going on in this present moment and how you can attune your attention with these different bodies. And there'll be certain qualities by doing so. You can become aware of awareness itself. That will allow the mental body, the emotional body, and even the physical body starting to rest, find a deep rest. And you'll also notice that mind and habits will have less pull, less effect on you. You won't take them as reactively as you would before. So reactivity lowers down when you rest attention with awareness. If you rest attention with spirit, that is, why am I here? What am I here for? What is my purpose? And as you rest with these questions, spirit will come and answer that. That will be the spirit. If you can allow to look from a restful place. Now, you see a red circle here, and I'll make a next video about that, but usually that's the block for people to experience themselves as more than this physical human container and the personality that goes with it. So the red circle around emotional, mental body and the physical body is that person that most human beings usually identify with, but begin to feel claustrophobic with and want to explore more and see more possibilities because spirit is calling. And awareness is one of the keys to move beyond them. Yeah, so hope you find the video here helpful, excited about exploring more of what's going on here and now as what you are and what you're capable of. So if you want to see more of these videos, remember to subscribe below. I'm Brian Jacobson, and I used a lot of time to sit in the silence and explore what's going on. And now I'm excited to share some of those recognitions and help you to find and discover for yourself these different qualities of what it means to be here and now as a human being, and what we have access to and what we can play with and have fun with. So thank you very much for watching. Leave in the comment below how you could follow along. And if you have any issues with this, if you have any questions, problems, or challenges, then leave them in the comments. Let's have a talk and see where it leads. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.